This is exactly how I was able to fix my Messenger app unable to send videos. So what I had to do is that I had to close my Messenger app and instead go to the settings app on my phone here, as you can see. And then I scrolled down, I clicked on general, and then I clicked on storage right here. And now we're just gonna simply wait for all of the apps that we have on our phone here to load. You can see it's still loading here, which is actually a good sign. So just let it load here until we have all of the apps here. Now scroll up, click on search for Messenger and click on Offload App. And once again in here, click on Offload App. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load. And then click on Reinstall App here, as you can see. And now just simply wait for your Messenger app to completely update to its latest version. You can see it says waiting for me here. So it's just going to actually update now to the absolute latest version of my Messenger app. Sometimes, by the way, you have to go back and click on the Messenger app here once again, and you can see it's going to load here now. So just wait for it to finish, and when it's done, go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.